Hi guys, I'm Michael with R&E Paint Supply. So today we're going to be spraying a new product for us. It's this Roberlo Robliner along with their 2K non-sanding sealer. And we're actually going to be doing the bottom of a truck bed today. This is a replacement bed that's going to be going on. Instead of painting it, this truck's going to be used a lot for farm use and things like that. So we're actually going to be bed linering the bottom side of the bed. So first of all, we're going to start off with the wax and grease remover, go on to the 2-component sealer, and then come back and spray the bed liner over the top. So stay around with us as we get started. Okay guys, we've wiped the full bed down with wax and grease remover. Now we're going to apply this Roberlo multi-seal to it. And the really cool part about this product is it can go on any pre-painted surfaces without sanding. So like the whole bottom of this bed that's really hard to sand, well, all we are doing is basically we've power washed this bed, degreased it, and then we're going to apply this. So this product mixes 4-to-1 with the hardener and then a half a part of reducer. So we're going to mix that up and get ready to spray it. Okay guys, so I'm spraying this in one of the CTW disposable mix cups. I like using these because you can spray upside down, sideways, whatever you need to do. And there's very little cleanup when you're done. And we do have a high flow fitting on our paint gun, and we're hooked to some good dry air. So we're going to be spraying with the trigger pull with this gun set around 40 PSI at the wall. And you can adjust that depending on your gun and your liking. I am spraying with a DeVelvis Techna Sealer gun today. So, and with all 2-part isocyanate cure products, make sure you're always wearing gloves, respiratory protection, and a paint suit. So we're going to get started spraying this bed. Okay guys, we've already sprayed our sealer. It's dried about 20 minutes. Now we're getting ready to come back and spray the bed liner on here. And so this product is very simple to mix. It comes with a little cup. You mix 200 milliliters of hardener into it. You shake and go. The really thing I like about this system is the gun. Compared to a lot of other guns that you have to clean out and everything, this one actually has a disposable tip. So when you're done, you just basically throw the tip away and no cleanup. And it has a pattern adjustment on it. So we're going to get this mixed up. I do run a regulator on mine when I spray this because I like to put my first coats on at a lower pressure and then turn the pressure up higher for my final coat. So we're going to start mixing up and spraying this, and we'll get a couple coats on it. you.